Different types of weather. Sunny, I am sunny. I shine so bright. I make the day warm. You can play outside. Do not forget your hat. I am cloudy. I cover the sky. I hide the sun. I am soft and white. I look like a cotton. I am rainy. I fall from the sky. I make the ground wet. You need an umbrella. I wear the plant. I am windy. I blow the trees. I fly your kite. I make love dance. I go goosh boosh. I am snowy. I am white and cold. I cover the ground. You can make a snowman. Wear your coat and gloves. I am stormy. I am loud and strong. I bring rain and white. I flash with lightning. Stay safe inside. I am hot. I make you sweat. You drink cold water. You wear light clothes. I shine in summer. I am a rainbow. I shine after rain. I have many colors. I look like a bridge. I make the sky bright. I am hail. I fall as ice. I drop with a bang. I am round and small. I come during storm. I am foggy. I hide the road. I look like a smoke. I make things hard to see. Drive carefully with me.